Yung pangalawa is breaking down silos. Okay? What should we know about this? There are problems that cross departmental boundaries. One of the most popular tools in root cause analysis ay yung tinatawag na Ishikawa diagram or fishbone diagram. Yung ulo ng isda represents the problem and yung mga tinik-tinik, yun yung mga causes. No? So sometimes you see yung problem manifest in one department and the causes come from other departments. No? So, minsan, pag tinatanong ko yung mga managers, na-solve nyo na ba yung problema? Ang sagot nila, hindi. Bakit? Kasi yung mga causes nasa kabilang department, we don't have control or hold over the other department. So, importante na ang isang leader ay marunong makipag-usap, mag-build ng relationship, and develop a communication culture between their department and other departments. Don't let problems lead to blaming. Okay? So, pagka silo ang mentality natin, no, little kingdom, instead of solving the problem, we end up blaming other people because they caused the problem, as we see it. Next is to collaborate, coordinate, and cooperate. Lalo na kung ang problema natin ay complicated or complex problems. Yung mga complex problems are difficult to solve on one's own. Para ma-solve mo yung problema na yon, you will need the help of other people. So you must learn to collaborate, coordinate, and cooperate. That's breaking down silos.